Hello guys, let's talk about the TP-Link Tapo camera, how you can change the Wi-Fi network. As you can see, my camera is working already here in the app, and I want to change the Wi-Fi network, so I need to reset the camera because there is no option to just change the network here on the app. So I need to use a paper clip, something like this, and reset the camera. There's a button here. Let me just show you. Here's the button. So you can just use a paper clip and reset. And here, for example, you need to observe the LED. Right now it's green, and you just need to press and hold until you see this changing to blinking red. Let me just press here and hold. So keep holding until you see the LED changes. There we go, it's blinking red. So you let it go and wait.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
As you can see, there's a message. The camera is rebooting right now. And now I need to just add here again, okay? Since it's rebooting, I just need to remove it here. So I click Manage. And here I have this option for settings. And down here I have the options to remove the camera. Just click here, remove it. And you're good to go to add a new device, right? Now you just need to wait for the camera to boot up and start blinking here, red and green. Just observe that, wait for a while. I can here click on the camera. It's clicking something here. Wait for a while, a little bit more. And you'll be able to see blinking here, red and green, okay? Then you can just click here device and select your camera. Here the Tapo C100. There we go. The information about if it's blinking here, it is right now. Just click here. And now you need to connect to the Wi-Fi of the camera's Wi-Fi. So you select here the Wi-Fi for the Tapo camera. Just come down, look for it. Here we go. I have it here. Connect to this Wi-Fi. And you see this blue screen here. That's because you come back to the software, right? So you could find the camera. And now you need to enter the password for Wi-Fi network. Okay, so here's my password for my Wi-Fi network. I just click next, confirm here, next again.
Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, just hear the message, Wi-Fi connected. There we go. I just type here name for the camera. Click next, select the area where I have the camera, the icon for the camera, next again. And I'm good. Skip this for a while. And got it. Okay, so basically now the camera is working. Let me just put it here so you can just click and see if it's working, right? There we go. Camera working pretty fine. So that's the way you can change the Wi-Fi on your TP-Link Tapo C100, okay? It works also with other Tapo TP-Link cameras, okay? So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.